At Christian, the law firm, we act extensively for internet-based companies, companies trading online. And so we thought it would be helpful to put together this clip looking at contracts concluded entirely over the internet. For simplicity, we'll call them Clickwrap Agreements. Now, what is a Clickwrap Agreement? Well, at its most basic level, a Clickwrap Agreement is a contract concluded entirely over the internet or through the use of some other similar electronic media. The second important question is it enforceable in a court of law? Yes. A Clickwrap Agreement is perfectly valid and legally enforceable. That is, enforceable in a court of law. That then also raises the important consideration of the actual terms contained within your Clickwrap Agreement. It's important to remember that it is, at the end of the day, a contract, and as such, it is subject to those principles of contract law that us lawyers all know and love, like reasonableness, for example. And the other idea is that the contract, certainly the terms underpinning the contract, cannot be unconscionable. So it's important to bear that in mind. The third important consideration is at what point is the contract concluded? Now, this is very important, and indeed, and in fact, as a vendor, this is a discussion you need to have with your web developers, because the contract is concluded in law at the point where your customer physically clicks I accept or I agree, actually presses the button, that physical act, that conduct concludes the contract, i.e. it's the point at which the contract is formed. So, to sum up, as a vendor, as a business trading online, as an internet-based company, what are the important considerations for you in this area? Well, the first important consideration that you need to bear in mind is that the contract is legally valid and it's legally enforceable, and so the terms that are contained therein must be reasonable. The second important consideration is that by your customer clicking I accept or I agree, clicking that icon, the contract is concluded at that point, and so that's a discussion you need to have with your web developer. And if there's anything else, please feel free to get in touch with us. I'm Brendan Christian at Christian the Law Firm. Thank you.